Hey, what's up? I'm back with the Cosmo. Same one still, yeah, Cosmo 2009, January. It's Amanda Bynes, in case you haven't noticed. Amanda Bynes. Okay, so these are tips for guys. So if you're a girl, you know, it's not really necessary, but you can look if you want. You know, girls really like it when you like make meals for them and stuff like that. You know, if you just randomly one day just decide to make a little thing, and if you're not really old enough to be living with each other yet, just, you know, come with a picnic or something. But now that it's winter, I guess it's kind of hard for a picnic, but I don't know. Like, even just like if you're, say, watching a movie together, or like chilling, or just like talking or something, just, you know, sneak into the kitchen and bring her back a drink and like something, just cause. Like, don't even ask her what she wants, just get her like a glass of water. Girls normally appreciate a glass of water, you know, like, don't even have to add ice, just a cold glass of water, you know, or tea, anything. And if you want to keep your relationship going strong, you know, buy her little presents. Like, you know, if you find yourself in a shopping market, get her like some ice cream that you know she likes, or like lip balm, like in her favorite flavor or something like that. Like something small, you know, like it doesn't even have to cost a lot. You can go to the dollar store and get her like, you know, plastic flower, and just be like, you know, be all goofy and silly, but like, you know, even if you think it's a stupid gift, it's gonna be like, it's gonna be with her, you know, she's gonna be like, oh, he thought of me, you know. But like, if it's just something you found in your closet, you know, she might have seen it before, and then she'll know that it wasn't like, you know, you weren't thinking of her, you just saw shit and you were like, oh, I have to get her something. You don't have to do it like every day. I'm just saying, like, every once in a while, you know, whatever. And if you know she's got a big day coming up, or like something special to her, or your guys' 1 month anniversary, 2 months, maybe even a week, you know, just like well, if it's a week you can't do this, but if it's like a month or half a year or a year, like the week before, give her flower every day, you know, different flower, and then the last day, give her a big bouquet of flowers or something, you know, just to build up the suspense, so she'll be excited for it. And like, if she's got a stressful day coming up, something that she might be worried about, call her in the morning and be like, hey, you know, I love you, I'm supporting you, and just be nice to her about it. And like, if you guys are living together, wake her up in the morning with a cup of coffee, or breakfast in bed, or just like, you know, lean over and wake her up and be like, you know, it's gonna be fine, and just a little pep talk to get her, you know, comfortable with it. You know, and even if you've been apart for like a day or a week, she's gonna miss you, and she wants to know that you missed her too. But you don't have to be like all over like, oh baby, I missed you, I was so sad, blah blah blah, because that's just sad. Because so like, just be like, hey, I missed you, you're cute, you look nice today. Like, give her a long kiss. If you haven't seen her in more than 4 days, give her a long kiss when you first see her. Just hug her and kiss her. She'll love it. And now when computers are so big and shit like that, everybody knows a proper letter is like amazing. Like, write a letter or a note. Like, if you live together or you're sleeping over, just leave a little note in the window, or on the somewhere you know she's gonna look, on her place at the table, TV, bathroom mirror. Just be like, can't wait to see you later, I love you, I had fun, whatever. If you've been away for a long time, if you're on a trip, send a letter. Don't write an email. Well, write an email if you can't write a letter, but you know, letters are more from the heart. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I'm listening to Välkommen till Malmö. It's by Advanced Patrol. I'm from Malmö, it's in Sweden, third biggest city. I have a cold, I'm ill, I think you've noticed. But I'm gonna go now, because I'm done telling you what you gotta know.